Hello, this is Dr. Imran Wali in front of you. I am a consultant in dermatology for the last 26 years and I am attached to AMRI Salt Lake and also Apollo Clinic Newtown. In my previous practice, it was very haphazard about appointments, about the patients, giving them a particular time, not reaching in the time, giving them the particular date, not coming on that day. But since the time these CareClues apps have come, it has revolutionized my practice in my clinic. You see what happens, it is so organized and so thorough, there is no margin of error. Either the patient comes or the patient does not come. You are very sure from the very beginning that these are the number of patients are there in your clinic well in advance. It is good for the patient and good for the consultant also. You see what happens in these CareClues apps, we give them particular times, say 5, 5:15, 5:30, 5:45, etc., etc. If the patient is late by say 5 to 10 minutes and if there is availability of the slot, that patient comes. But if there is no availability of the slots in which the appointments have been given, the patient automatically goes to the last. And what happens? The other patients don't have to wait. So there is no rush in the reception, there is no rush in the doctor's consulting room. People are happy. I as a consultant am very happy, and so are the patients. This time management saves valuable time for the very busy consultant and also the extremely busy patients, and there is no rush, no complaint, no cribbing about the whole system, and people follow that discipline and get used to it. And since the time CareClues apps came into my consulting life, it has revolutionized the process of patient appointment, patient checking, and the patient moving out of the clinic without any rush, without any stress, both for the patient and for the consultant. A very important feature of this CareClues apps is delay marking and rescheduling. In our day-to-day busy practice, there can be instances where we are late because of traffic or because of jam or because of operations because we do aesthetic procedures. So instantly, it is informed through the apps that what is the current status of myself, where I am stuck up, say 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it is immediately informed to the patient so that they are aware that I am on the way. And the next point is, the most important thing is the exhaustive database of the patient which helps the patient and also helps me. Now what is this? The patient, especially in our line, the prescriptions are immediately pictured so that it saves papers. Also photos of pre and post operative patients with the consent of course of the patient, and also to have a ready reference and ready knowledge of the patient's prescription and also the pre and post operative pictures. That is also a very, very important thing which helps us not only for ready reference in our apps, but is also very important that it saves a lot of wastage of paper. I would wish CareClues apps all the best because they have done wonders for me as far as my appointments have taken place, as regularization of the work schedule, and I also pray that they do wonders for all the consultants who are having a lot of confusion in their clinic as far as appointments are concerned. The mess which takes place, over appointments, overbooking, in this CareClues apps, there is no margin of these kind of problems. From the core of my heart, I wish CareClues apps all the best in their journey which they have started. And it is really doing wonders. Thank you.